Electricity is very important to us. The electricity we use is generated from the power station. It is then transmitted to our homes through electric wires. The wires are connected to the consumer unit, from which electricity is distributed among several circuits. There are two types of circuit in our homes: lighting circuit and ring circuit. The lighting circuit provides electricity to the ceiling lights in our homes. While the ring circuit provides electricity to the main sockets. Usually, there are several ring circuits in our homes, one for each room. The ring circuits are wired in the form of rings. There are two advantages for this. First, there are two paths for electricity to flow from the consumer unit to the electrical appliances. If one of the paths is damaged, electricity can still flow through via the other path. Second, as there are two paths for current to flow, each path only carries part of the current needed. Therefore, thinner wires can be used. In addition to lighting circuits and ring circuits, electrical appliances that draw a large current are connected directly to the consumer unit. Examples of these electrical appliances are air conditioners and electric water heaters.